Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to program 2018 Cadillac XTS Smart Key. Now we will prepare K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, and a original car key and a new smart key produced by our Lonsdor. First, we plug in the OBD communication cable.
The first step is to choose Generate Smart Key. Find Cadillac XTS. Choose the third one. Hold our keys close to the card slot. Click Generation. OK. Generated successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Cadillac, China. Select XTS. Select after 2018. Smart Key. First we read the PIN code. PIN code reads successfully. OK. Select Add Smart Key. Please press the Start button. OK. Put the new key to be programmed into the key card slot. Take other keys out of the car. Click OK. OK. Reading now. OK. Configuring system. It takes about 10 minutes to wait. Press the Start button. OK. Program successful. Does it program the next one? No need to click Cancel. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. After clicking the OK button, press and hold the Start button for 12 seconds. Release the Start button, then click OK. Long press the Start button until the ignition switch is on. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. Slam the brakes. Press the Start button. Start the engine. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition switch is off. Remove the key. Press the lock and unlock button. OK. There are no other smart keys to program. Click Cancel. Program complete. OK. Key programming successful. Now, let's see if the key works. The first key, hit the brakes, press the Start button. The first key starts the car successfully. The second key, hit the brakes, press the Start button. The second key starts the car successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. The first key locks the car and unlocks it. The second key locks the car and unlocks it. Remote control is normal.
Programmed successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead.